viewers, I am Azam Ghani, the founder of Menteso IP and Executive Director of the International Intellectual Property Law Association. In this video, I'll tell you how to grow your solo IP law firm into a small IP law firm. This is the fourth video in our series of videos where I'm sharing the information on how to start and run an IP law firm. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and then to save the playlist so that you do not miss any video from this series. Before we get started, you can watch our last video by clicking on the link in the description which we discussed how to start a solo IP law firm. Let's start with the topic. Do you remember John from a last video? Yes? A fictional character who started his own solo IP law firm? Yes. So let's now assume that John has started his solo IP law firm and is getting good business over there. Now John wants to grow his firm to the next level where he has a small team working with him. John needs to move ahead carefully as selecting the right team is very crucial for his firm. He is going to invest money and time in them. And the expectation to further grow his firm can only be successful if he has a good team that aligns with John's vision. Ain't you excited about John's next step? Yes. John will analyze his current situation as the next step. Where is the highest load and what does he like to do and doesn't want to do in his firm? Depending upon his predilections, John can reserve the role he enjoys doing the most and transfer the other role to the other team members. John also needs time to plan and monitor the execution of these plans to further grow his firm. We suggest creating an organizational structure for the law firm as he foresees the firm in the next 5 to 10 years. And then fill the places of those roles. Either he takes up the role or hires somebody for that role. We suggest that he divides his team into the 5 following verticals. 1. Lawyers. 2. Paralegals. 3. Admin staff. 4. Marketing team. 5. The sales team. Now, when John needs to fill a space in the org chart, he will have to outsource the work to the recruitment firm or float the hiring himself on the recruitment websites. Any business, including the John's IP law firm, has some basic requirements that remain common to run the business successfully. Let's understand them first. You must have enough customers or clients in case of the IP industry or maybe any business. The second most important thing is the resources to get the work done. If John doesn't have clients, the revenue part will suffer and he will not be able to sustain his business in the long run. That's why it is crucial to make a good marketing and sales team. The team will ensure that the John's firm is getting good business on a regular basis through its marketing and sales strategy. The lawyers and paralegal team here have the complete responsibility of delivering the work that the sales team is bringing to the firm. They are going to be the backbone of the firm. As an IP law firm, John needs to invest in a good team of lawyers and paralegals who understand their work and every fine details associated with it. Since it is related to litigation or prosecution, the mistakes might be very costly here for the client as well as for the firm. John can hire some experienced lawyers who know the requirements at the top level and then some associate lawyers. The whole objective of the processes would be to develop a system that works in auto mode. John cannot miss on the automation part. Considering it will help his firm save a lot of resources, John can save both time and money by automating the processes where there are chances. John can automate the administrative tasks as well as the processes related to the IP filing and prosecution, as well as the litigation. There are various softwares that can help John's firm with the automation task. You must be wondering why we did not mention anything about the office requirements. That's because in the post-pandemic era, having an office is a choice but not a necessity. John can save a lot of money by running his organization remotely. When the profits are good, there is always a good chance to shift the office to a dream office. But at least it is not a reason that will resist John from taking his firm to the next level in the first place. We will talk more about the automation in detail in the next video. I hope that you get an idea of growing your solo IP law firm into a small IP law firm from John's journey. Make sure to comment down if I have missed any of the topics. You can also leave your questions in the comment box and we'll be more than happy to answer them. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss any video from the series. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Till then, take care.